Beach Nation is back in action. Alright. We are gonna learn the reverse twerk in 60 seconds. Put it on the clock. Ready for the breakdown? Here we go. So you're gonna step, you're gonna lead with your shoulder. 1, 2, hit the reverse on 3. Whip that hair around. You're gonna turn your knee in, pop it up, bring it back down, and keep your weight on your right foot because you're gonna step again with your left. So left, right, hit the reverse, boom, bring it down, turn that right leg in, pop, right? So go 1, 2, hit it and down. 1, 2, hit it and down. Got that? All right, we only got a little bit of time left, so let's run it real quick. Ready? Here we go. 6, 7, and go. 1, 2, 3, and hit. 1, 2, 3, and hit. Again. 1, 2, 3, and you got it. Hey, 1, 2, 3, hit. Woo! You guys killed that in 60 seconds. If y'all want more 60-second twerk tutorials, hit us up. Watch my other videos. It's just like twerk madness.